Hello, hello, hello. Hey, grant seekers. Welcome back to the Grant Success Channel. Are you ready to grab your share of free money? We've got three incredible grant opportunities that you don't want to miss. Let's just dive right in. All right, so first up, we have the Genesis for Good Catalyst Empowerment Grant Program. This is calling all small businesses and entrepreneurs in Orange, Los Angeles, Riverside, and San Bernardino counties in California. You can apply for up to $10,000 to grow your business. This is a rolling grant, so there's no deadline. Apply when you're ready, but don't wait too long because these funds could run out. So let's look into it. Here we go. So, who's eligible for this grant? Businesses with gross revenues under $500,000, businesses that have been in business for 1+ years, have 10 or fewer employees, and are located in low to moderate income areas, and are fully licensed and registered in the state of California. Let's look at the apply now here. This is the application. It's really only about 2 pages here. The first two is just you're going to check this to say save my progress and resume later, and then you're going to click next page. And once you get to the next page, it's going to check for your eligibility for this grant by asking a series of yes or no questions to find out if you are eligible to apply. And once you click those, yes or no's, you're going to click the next page. And on the pages 3 and 4, you're going to submit a short 3-minute video explaining your background, your business vision and community impact, and how this grant will help you grow. So you're going to have to submit a short video. And make sure that you give them your story, telling them about your company, your vision for your company, your mission for your company. Give them some passion about your company. This is your chance to showcase your passion and make a difference in your community. Okay, next up, we have the Detroit Legacy Business Project. Detroit business owners, listen up, listen up, listen up. There's a $50,000 award on the table for citywide grants and $15,000 for district-specific grants. So there are 2 grants here. And here's the breakdown. The district grants, which are $15,000 each, 2 grants will be awarded in each of Detroit's 7 districts. And this is perfect for businesses with a big impact in their local community. The second one is the citywide grants, which is $50,000 each, and only 2 available for businesses with citywide influence. And it's called the Detroit Legacy Business Project because they are looking for businesses that have at least 30 years of service in the Detroit area. You need to have significant historic, economic, cultural, or social contributions to the city. So your eligibility, you must have operated at least 30 years, be independently owned with a public-facing location, and again, show significant cultural contributions to Detroit. Don't miss out on this chance to celebrate your legacy while securing funding for the future. So let's take a look at the other benefits here. They are providing technical assistance, financial assistance, of course, with the funding of the grant, marketing assistance, and promotional support. Here is some FAQs if you're interested in looking at those. And let's go back here to apply for the grant. Here you're going to make sure that you choose the one that you are going to apply for. They're going to be judging it on like a scoring of points based on your legacy business track record. They give that about 25 points. Social and cultural impact, which has 40 points. Product and service retention, 10 points. And project description and grant use, 25 points. In each district, 4 finalists will be selected for 2 grant awards based on their score, eligibility, and documents. A separate application process will select 4 citywide finalists for 2 at-large grants. Final recipients will be chosen after site visits. After you've chosen which one of these you want to apply for, let's go ahead and click the $15,000 grant application. And this is going to be pretty extensive grant here. It's not short at all. It's pretty long, and if you have any questions about this grant or any of the grants on my videos, please leave me a comment in the comment section, and I'll be happy to get back with you and let you know any answers, any questions, anything that you need for any of the grants that I present on this channel. Don't miss the chance, people, to celebrate your legacy while securing funding for the future. If you are in the Detroit area, please apply for this grant. And last but not least, the next one is WCA Foundation 2025 Project Investments. The WCA Foundation is a volunteer-led grant-making organization whose mission is Women Changing the Lives of Women. Its members, all local, are women committed to learning about and responding to the most urgent needs of women in communities across the Minneapolis-St. Paul metro area. They contribute their time, talent, and care to advance the Foundation's mission and engage in participatory grant making. So nonprofits in the Twin Cities metro area, this one's for you. Applications open November 19th and close December 19th, 2024. So don't wait here. The awards range from $10,000 to $30,000, and up to 25 nonprofits will be funded. Here, this gives you some information about what they will fund, the eligibility. This funding opportunity is open to 501c3 nonprofits with public charity tax determinations. Applicant organizations must be based in the Twin Cities, 7-county metro area. And so here are the counties here: Anoka, Carver, Dakota, Hennepin, Ramsey, Scott, and Washington counties. WCA will not fund charitable activities that promote a religion or require participation in a religion as a condition for receiving services. However, grants may be made to faith-based organizations for non-religious purposes if other eligibility criteria are met. This is going to be for the 501c3 nonprofits serving adult women in areas like health, shelter, safety, and education. And only nonprofits directly managing the project can apply. No fiscal agents allowed. And this is your chance to make a real impact in your community while securing the resources you need to thrive. So if you live in the Twin Cities area, please go ahead and apply. So for this particular grant, you'll have to log into the portal, create a username, password, and log into the portal and apply for the grant. If you have any questions, anything that has to do with any of the grants on my channel, please leave a comment in the comment section, and I'll be more than happy to help. Whether you're a small business owner, a legacy business in Detroit, or a nonprofit in the Twin Cities area, there's a grant opportunity waiting for you. Visit the links in the description for details and apply today. And remember, funding is competitive, so put your best foot forward in those applications. Again, if you need any tips or help, drop your questions in the comments and I'll cover them in future videos or I'll answer them directly. Subscribe to Grant Success Channel for more opportunities to fund your dreams. Let's get that money. Like, share, and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. See you again.